Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Alexa's Garden. In today's video, I want to show you 5 hybrid tea roses that you absolutely need to grow in your garden, and I'm going to be planting them in the ground today. Guess what day it is? It's July 3rd, right in the middle of summer, and I'm planting roses in my garden. I know, it sounds a little crazy. Normally, here in Zone 5B where I live, we plant roses either in early spring or in the fall, but not this time. I got roses with a closed root system, grown in containers, and those can be planted almost any time of year. I bought 7 rose bushes. Here they are. Each one has its roots in a black plastic bag, about 2 to 3 liters, or around 1 gallon. The soil is enough for the plant, and the roots are strong and healthy. Unfortunately, not all the roses are perfectly healthy. Some of them show signs of black spot disease, caused by a microscopic fungus called Diplocarpon rosae. This fungus is most active between 75 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 32 degrees Celsius. So since it's early July, I'll be treating the plants carefully with fungicide after planting. Alright, let's meet my top 5 hybrid tea roses for the season. 1. Cream Yves Piaget. This bush is healthy. Its leaves are clean, shiny, and totally spot-free. Right next to it is a sick rose. Take a look. This one has black spots on its leaves. I'll need to treat it. The name of that rose is Lorraine. Sadly, it's already showing signs of disease. Here's another one. It even has blooms. Amazing! They're starting to fade, but still so pretty and super fragrant. Which rose is this? It's also Cream Yves Piaget. I actually forgot I ordered 2 of them. This one even came with flowers. What a lovely surprise. Cream Yves Piaget is a hybrid tea rose bred by Milan International. The mature bush grows to about 3.2 feet, 1 meter tall. The flowers are big, about 5 inches, 14 centimeters across. The color is a soft creamy white. Right now, the flowers look white, but you'll notice some adorable pink speckles from the rain. Luckily, the rain doesn't damage the blooms, and the fragrance is incredibly sweet and honey-like. The plant is healthy, strong, and shows no signs of black spot or other disease. In my Zone 5B garden, Cream Yves Piaget handles frost well and stays healthy year-round. 2. Love Song. Now, take a look at this little beauty. It's still young, but looks healthy. This is Love Song. The plant is pretty small, probably because this variety is in high demand. I think the garden center just couldn't keep up with the popularity of this Floribunda rose. Love Song was bred by Tom Caruth, USA, pre-2009, and introduced by Weeks Roses in 2011. The flowers are fully double, about 4 to 5 inches across, 9 to 12 centimeters, and they have a soft lavender color. The fragrance is light and citrusy. The blooms come in small clusters, and the plant reblooms for a long season. Mature height is about 47 inches, 120 centimeters. It's a very trendy and beautiful rose. Love Song has moderate resistance to powdery mildew and black spot. The flowers are rain tolerant too. By the way, this rose pairs beautifully with white lavender, yellow lady's mantle, pink geranium, or zinnias. 3. Lorraine. Here's my third choice. A hybrid tea rose called Lorraine, bred by Milan in 2001. This one, unfortunately, already has some black spot. Lorraine goes by a few other names too. like André Le Nôtre or Betty White depending on the country, but it's all the same rose. It has delicate light pink blooms. Right now there are no buds on the bush, so I can't show you the flowers yet. But according to the breeder, each stem holds a single large bloom, perfect for cutting in bouquets. Flower size is around 5 inches, 12 centimeters, and the bush can grow up to 43 inches, 110 centimeters. The scent is medium intensity, and it's a repeat bloomer with good disease resistance. 4. Claire Ocean. Now let me show you this beauty. Claire Ocean. Look at those blooms. Aren't they soft and dreamy? The petals spiral inward in that perfect tea rose shape. There are a couple of flowers on the bush right now. You can see some damage, probably from bugs. I suspect it was a beetle or rose weevil having breakfast on this bloom. Also, the yellowing leaves suggest the plant needs more nutrients. But thankfully, no black spot, so I'm happy with that. Claire Ocean is another hybrid tea rose, great for floral arrangements. It was bred in 2001 by Hans-Jürgen Evers, Germany, for the famous rose company Tantau. The buds are long and the full blooms can reach about 5 inches, 12 centimeters in diameter. They have a light, delicate fragrance. The mature plant can grow up to 43 inches, 110 centimeters tall. The flowers are light pink with a hint of peach. This young bush has 2 blooms, but they're small, about 2 inches across right now. Hopefully in a year or two, we'll see much bigger flowers. See these yellowing leaves? That means the plant's been working hard to bloom, and now it's getting tired. The leaves are starting to fall off. Five, Peony Pink. And finally, check out this gorgeous Floribunda rose. It even has some buds. This is Peony Pink, a peony-shaped hybrid tea rose in a soft pink shade. Sadly, it also has black spot, so I'll be using fungicide on this one too. Peony Pink is a Floribunda rose, though some also know it as Saint Cecilia. If you see that name in a catalog, it's the same rose. The mature bush grows to about 40 inches tall, 1 meter, and 20 inches wide, 50 centimeters. The blooms are small, clustered together, around 3 to 4 inches in size. Let's wrap it up. Today I've got 7 roses to plant, all with a closed root system. That means I can plant them any time of year, including now, in early July. These aren't transplants, really. It's more like shifting them straight from the pot into the soil. Next year, I'm hoping to see them bloom. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Do you grow any of these roses? Which ones are your favorites? See you soon.